Kasuka jela ke penpau berkeloi ban Iakren berkekasi student yon hal kimat jingdawa jongka. Abakren metakasi unung ai ketin kasuka bere dum ti Sorkar ba wailat bagi sila ulong. Ban negren kasuka kalau berkeloi ban Iakren yakini unu gijike kamtam. Ya kimat ki bakake isu ka penpau. La berkedau bakake isu ka ai prokasan segi kasuka ban pun ulong no ya kimat jingdawa ai bakan tup ban pendam. Mardo ya public hearing jeng isrismen nang ta ban pun ulong no ya ke MRSSA aja kanriu ban pun ulong no yang jemput kela yang Migrant Identification Registration Safety and Security of Migrant Worker Act aja arpo ban penbai yang tukam tungjam hani krim sebat kumju ban wanra yang tukam tungjam ke bakoi bahak bat kebasida hak Migrant Public Service Commission bahar District Section Committee.
Yeah, definitely. Because I want to make it very clear that the government is open for discussion. So we are ready to listen and to deliberate, to have a dialogue. And I think that is the way forward. So I'll request that to urge the Khasi Student Union to come and have a dialogue with the government.